This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Maureen Vita. Top floor with elevator and lake views from lanai, master bedroom, living room and dining room. Brand new kitchen just installed and all carpet removed and new flooring throughout the unit. Tastefully decorated with new living room furniture and a 55 inches TV as well as 2 new twin beds in guest room. Split bedroom floor plan provides privacy. Community pool and hot tub as well as a clubhouse with fitness room, billiard table, tennis courts, etc. located in the very convenient community of Lakeside Gardens with a very short distance to Vanderbilt Beach, Mercato, and Waterside Shops, where you can enjoy fine dining and shopping. Only 4 miles to the Gulf of Mexico. Also being offered long term. For more information, review the details below.